time for another burping contest. Tedda, I want a rematch.
Learn to knock. I accept.
Good, let's get this show on the road.
Okay, but we'll need a judge.
Not Palla again.
How about his twin who has the same name and looks exactly like him?
Yeah, sure.
Hey, what do you guys want?
Will you be the judge for the burping contest?
I'm only solving the economical crisis, but okay.
Okay, here's what we'll do. We'll do various things that might improve our burping in some way.
Okay, and Palla will always judge who is the best.
Yes.
Alright.
I'm gonna drink soda, and you're gonna drink...
Water.
Okay.
I already think I know who wins this. Halli wins.
Oh, in your face with it!
Okay, now we'll jump and burp.
Okay.
Ooh, it'll be hard to top that one. Oh no, wait. Ooh, it'll be hard to top that one. Lol, Tedda wins.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, this is gonna be a normal round. He's just gonna burp until one of you loses consciousness.
Okay.
Halli, you win by default.
Yay for me!
I'll kill you!
Oh my god, who shot you?
Look behind me, idiots.
Son of a bitch had it coming.
Giggity.
Thanks for saving us. No problem.
I think you should lay low for a while, while the cops investigate.
Oh no, I don't need that. I'll just give him Palla. Wait, what? Go over to them and tell them you did it.
Open the goddamn door!
Dude, I'm not sure about this.
Hello, we can hear you. Open this door this instant, or you'll be forced to come in.
I'll blow your head open if you don't answer.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Ah, damn it. Ah. Open the door, buddy. Open the door.
Thank you for opening the door.
This seems very familiar. Huh?
You heard a gunshot over here.
Yeah, everything alright? Yeah.
Oh, I killed the boy over there. With this gun.
I understand. Okay, you're coming with us. Giggity. To the police station.
Right now.
Okay.
If you kill, you get killed.
What?
Yeah, it's the electric chair for you.
No!
You coming with us? Yeah.
So, Halli, what do you want to do?
Porn.
Here you go.
Porn.